Hi there, and welcome to another informative video from Wondershare Dr. Phone. I am Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to discuss some problems and bugs that are pretty typical when it comes to iOS 17, with their possible solutions. Moving on, we will also explore an amazing tool that can be used to help you fix most of the iOS issues with one toolkit. But before we dive into the practical section and move further in the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This will help you get notified when the new educational videos end up coming up and are uploaded to our channel. Now let's dive right in. Part 1. Known bugs and problems in iOS 17. Apple has a strong research and development department that ensures new iOS versions have the most minor of errors, if anything. So several different tests are done on the iOS versions to eliminate the errors, but if you encounter some bugs on iOS 17, you should be aware of them. This way, you will be able to understand how you can fix these bugs with little effort. So let's go ahead and first understand some bug symptoms and their impact on your iOS device so we can move on to their solutions. Bug number 1 is going to be app crashes and freezing. So this one is actually pretty typical when it comes to newer updates because the software is just being made or broadcasted. So the first problem that is usually encountered by a lot of people is the crashing or freezing of apps. This happens due to a bug that is present in your system. It can cause you to lose the unsaved data and disturb the workflow. Due to this, the frustration level can actually become pretty high and can make a huge impact on your productivity. Bug number 2, battery drainage. Another issue reported by the users is the excessive drain of their iPhone's battery. This is a significant issue because it limits device usage time and requires more frequent charging. This issue has impacted the main advantage of a smartphone, that is portability. So with battery issues, you can face some severe problems in times of emergency. Bug number 3, connectivity issues. The next issue with the iOS 17 version is the connectivity problems with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. So this problem makes connectivity with networks more difficult and causes disturbance in communication. Your communication can get very limited due to this issue, and you won't be able to use the wireless devices to their full potential. Number 4, slow performance. The fourth issue reported by iOS 17 users is the sluggishness of their devices. This problem causes delays in their device response time when they are multitasking or switching between apps. This problem can increase frustration and lead to a very bad user experience because we all want our devices to be fast and responsive, but this bug limits the true ability of the iPhone. Bug number 5 is going to be audio and call problems. In addition to all of these bugs that we have mentioned so far, one more bug is reported by the users that cause a problem with audio communication. This problem distorts calls and leads to audio cutting and different voice call problems, which can ruin your important business decisions. Part 2, reliable fixes for iOS 17 bugs and problems. Now you might be wondering if all these bugs can cause you this many problems, then what are the possible solutions? Well, to fix these problems, you can use a number of different solutions. Let's go ahead and explore the reliable fixes and ensure your iOS 17 version works at its full capacity. Fix number 1, apps crashing and freezing. To ensure that your apps work fine and don't crash or freeze at the time of need, then you can use the 4-step technique. So with the help of this technique, you can force close the apps to ensure that they're not much problematic. So to do this, let's go ahead and check out the steps which you can follow coming right up. Access the app switcher of your iPhone by swiping from the bottom of your iPhone screen to the top. Following this, swipe left or right to reach your targeted app. Swipe the app upward on the screen and then it will be forced to close. Now you can just reopen the app to see if the issue has been resolved from there. Fix number 2, battery drainage. So this is how we're going to address that particular issue. The second issue caused by the iOS version is going to be battery drain. So here we would recommend that you close the unnecessary background apps to save more battery. For this, you can check out these steps to ensure that your iPhone's battery doesn't get drained at a fast rate. So first, you will need to access the settings app of your iPhone and then tap on the general settings. Doing this will take you to a new screen of different options where you can select the background app refresh option. Now, after this, just go ahead and toggle off all the apps on the next screen which you don't want to use anymore. This will stop the apps from running in the background and help you save your device's battery. Fix number 3 is going to be for the connectivity issues. So to ensure that your iPhone connectivity feature works well with your Bluetooth devices, Try resetting all the network settings of your iPhone. This can help you improve your device connectivity and use different wireless devices without issues. For this purpose, you need to follow the following step-by-step guide that we're going to provide you. So just head toward the settings of your iPhone and then select General to access the respective settings. Besides this, check out all the settings and scroll down to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After this, just press the Reset option on the screen and then tap Reset Network Settings. If asked, enter your iOS device passcode and hit Reset Network Settings. Once again, this will reset and fix all of your iOS 17 connectivity issues. Fix number 4, slow performance. Moving forward, to ensure that your iPhone doesn't slow down when you are required to multitask, then you can update your iOS 17 to the latest version. This can help you a lot in improving the speed of your iPhone. So let's dive into the simplified instructions for this fix. So first, open the general settings on your iOS device and then tap the software update option. There you can see if any new update is available. If there is one, press the download and install option to update your iOS device to the latest version of iOS 17. Fix number 5, audio and call problems. The fifth bug that we have discussed is the one that interrupts your audio calls on different apps. Due to this problem, you can face some serious issues while you are on a business call or even having a critical conversation. Therefore, to avoid this bug, you can just force restart your iOS 17 iPhone. For this, let's check out the steps that you will need to follow coming right up. Start by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, and then do the same with the volume down, and then hold the sleep wake button until we see that your phone is being brought back to the Apple logo on the screen. This will execute the forced restart of your iOS 17 device, and then this should go a long way to fixing a lot of these issues. Part 3. All-to-one solution to solve iOS 17 problems. If you find any of these solutions unresponsive for you for some reason, then no need to worry. Here we will tell you another solution that can be used to fix all your problems in one place. This means that you can take help from some tools such as Wondershare Dr. Phone. With the help of this tool, you can fix a range of iOS issues with the help of one toolkit. Wondershare Dr. Phone is recommended due to its amazing features, including one of the most advanced repair modes. Using this mode, you can easily fix complex issues on your iOS device. Moreover, to understand how you can use this iOS 17 repair tool, let's check out the following step-by-step guide coming right up. The first thing that is required from you is to launch Wondershare Dr. Phone on your computer. Besides this, you need to connect your iOS device to it using the Apple certified USB data cable. Once it is connected, head toward the Toolbox tab from the main screen and then tap on it from there. This will go ahead and take you to the list of options where you can select the System Repair option. Once you choose it, a new window will appear from which you need to tap on the iOS device and then move to the next window. So following this, just go ahead and click on the iOS repair option and then hit on the standard repair mode from the next appearing window. Now at this point, put your iOS device in recovery mode by following the instructions that are going to be available to you right on screen. Putting your iPhone in recovery mode will just straight away enable the platform to detect the right firmware for the connected iOS 17 iPhone. This firmware can be downloaded on your device by clicking download against the respective iOS 17 firmware. Once the iOS 17 firmware is downloaded, then the platform will verify it. Moving on, tap the Repair Now option to start repairing the iPhone and then click the Done button to conclude the process. This will successfully resolve all of your iOS 17 problems. And with this, our video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching our informative video on iOS 17 problems, and if this video has helped you in any way to resolve your iOS 17 problems, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out more informative videos just like this on our channel. If you have any questions or want to share any of your feedback and thoughts, just use the comment section to do so and share your ideas. Now with that said, until next time, enjoy.